Did you know that yawning is so contagious it can spread across different species? 55% of people will yawn within 5 minutes of seeing someone else yawn. Even more bizarre, humans yawn when dogs yawn, and dogs yawn back at us. Scientists discovered this happens because yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. Psychopaths and people with autism are much less likely to catch yawns from others. The phenomenon is so powerful that just reading about yawning or hearing yawn sounds triggers it. Researchers believe contagious yawning evolved as a primitive communication tool to sync group sleep patterns. This unconscious mimicry happens faster than conscious thought through mirror neurons in our brain. Most incredible of all, fetuses start yawning at 11 weeks in the womb. We're literally born to yawn together,